Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Excel Max and Board. Today we will see grade 12 differentiation NCERT sums. So we will move on to exercise 5.2 differentiate the following. So let us do differentiation on this and let us learn how to do differentiation in a comfortable manner. First sum of your book is sine of differentiate sine of x square plus 5. Okay, so we know that differential of d by dx of sine x. See here, sine x. It should be x here. Then only it is cos x. Is it not? Then only it is cos x. Now it is differential of sine x square plus 5. So here it is not x, it is x square plus 5. So how to differentiate? So differential of this, that is, let me take this as y. Then differential of this is dy by dx or y dash or y1, however you can write it is correct. Now differential of, now we will consider only this sine. What is differential of sine here? Differential of sine is cos. So it is cos x square plus 5. So now I have differentiated what is sine. Now you differentiate what is differential of x square plus 5. That is differential of x square is 2x. Differential of plus 5 is 0. Differential of constant is 0. So the final answer is 2x into cos of x square plus 5. This is the answer. Is it clear? Now let me move on to the second sum. Differentiate cos of sin x. Differentiate cos of sin x. Here again it is not cos x. It is cos of, in the place of x I have sin x, and I very well know that differential of cos x is minus sin x. Okay, so using this formula, so if it is x, cos of differential cos is minus sin. So let me take this as y again. So y dash. So y dash is equal to differential of cos is negative sin. In the place of x I have sin x, so you are supposed to write it as sin x. Then you differentiate what is sin x. Differential of sin x is cos x. And here it is only x, so no need to differentiate x because dx by dx is 1. So this is the final answer. Is it clear? Question number 3 of your book 5.2. Differentiate y equal to sine of ax plus b. Here again in the place of sin x I have sine of something. In the place of x I have this ax plus b. So using the same formula I write differential of sine. Differential of sine is cos. Differential of sine is cos, and differential of ax plus b is, differential of ax is a and differential of b is a cons, which is a constant, so it is 0. So the final answer is a cos ax plus b. Let me move on to the fourth sum. Differentiate y is equal to secant of tan root x. Again you look at this differential of secant. Inside the secant there is tan, and inside the tan we have a root x. Do you understand? So it is inside the secant it is tan, and inside the tan it is root x. So how to do differentiation? So y dash. What is differential of secant? Differential of secant x is secant x tan x. Am I right? So it is secant, in the place of x only I have this secant x tan x. In the place of x only, again in the place of x only I have this. So differential of secant is secant x tan x. Now we will come to differential of tan x. What is differential of tan x? Differential of tan x is secant square differential of tan x. But here I have differential of tan root. So it is secant square root x. So now I have differentiated this tan. Now what is differential of root x? So it is 1 by 2 root x. Is it not? So the final answer goes like this. So y dash is equal to 1 by 2 root x into secant square root x into secant of tan root x into tan of tan root x. Is it clear? So it is function inside the function and inside the function. So you are supposed to do it with care. You would have been taught like a chain rule. Idhukku u podaga, substitute u, v, w. All that is not required once you understand the difference between the formula and the given question. Question number 5. Differentiate sine of ax plus b divided by cos of cx plus d. So you have to differentiate this. So let me take it as y. So what rule should I apply? I have to apply the rule of u by v. So y equal to u by v. That rule only I am going to apply here. So what is u here? U is the numerator always, sine of ax plus b, and what is v here? V is cos of cx plus d. So again there is variation. It is sine of ax plus b. So in the place of sin x you have this. Similarly in the place of cos x you have cx plus d. So make sure that you identify the term properly. Now let us go with u by v differentiation. What is u by v differentiation? It is v. So what is differential of u by v? D by dx of u by v is v u dash minus u v dash by v square. This is the formula which we are going to make use of. Is it not? So now let me write what is u dash. What is u dash? Differential of sine is cos ax plus b. Differential of sine is cos. Differential of ax is a. So I am writing in the front. Differential of b is a constant. So you can remove as it is. Is it not? Here again v dash. V dash differential of cos is negative sine cx plus d, and differential of cx is c, and differential of d is a constant. So it is 0. So now I have done with what is u dash, what is v dash. I am just going to substitute in the formula. It is v u dash. So y dash is equal to what is v? Cos of cx plus d into what is u dash? It is a cos. This a is a number, so I am putting in the front. Cos ax plus b minus u. U is sine of ax plus b. V dash is, there is negative sign, negative c, so this becomes plus c sine of cx plus d, the whole thing divided by v square. What is v? Cos of cx plus d, so it is v square. This is what I have got. So now what you can do is you can divide each and every term separately and you can get the answer of this. So how to divide each and every term separately? You can leave as such if it is a 2-mark question, otherwise you will have to divide. So if I divide, I get it as, divide the first term. This is the first term, correct? Which is the first term? This is the first term. In this first term I have here cos of cx plus d, here cos square. So 1 will go off, right? So 1 will get reduced. So it becomes a cos ax plus b divided by cos cx plus d plus what is the second term? Second term is this. There is nothing like in the numerator cos of cx plus d. So how we can proceed with this is you can write as such plus c sine ax plus b. இங்க sin of cx plus d இருக்கு. So it is sin of cx plus d. I am not doing anything. I am dividing this cos square. This is into only in the numerator, right? So here I am going to write cos of cx plus d. Here also I am writing cos of cx plus d. So I am splitting that square as x into x. Okay. So now what happens? To give the answer in a decent manner. That's all. So it is a cos ax plus b, and this denominator cos comes to the numerator as secant cx plus d plus c sine ax plus b. This is sine by cos is tan cx plus d. Again this cos denominator I haven't used it, so this comes to the numerator as again secant of cx plus d. So this is the final answer. Is that clear? So now let me move on to the next sum, question number 6 again, which is very simple sum. Question number 6, y is equal to cos of x cube into sine square x power 5. Again, when I read itself, you could have identified it as cos x cube. So this is one term. And sine square x power 5, this is the second term. So whereby we'll go with u into v method. Okay. So what is u here? U is cos of x cube and v is sine square x power 5. Now let me find what is u dash and v dash. What is u dash? What is differential of cos? Differential of cos is negative sign, is it not? So it is negative sine x cube and differential of x cube is 3x square. V dash. First there is power. Sine square. First there is power. So differentiate the power. So it is 2 sine x power 5. So I have done with this power. Now differentiate what is sine. Differential of sine is cos x power 5. And now differential of x power 5 is 5x power 4. So this can be rewritten as 2 5s are 10x power 4 sine x power 5 cos x power 5. Can you think of any other way of writing this? So we can stop with this. So y dash is what? bu dash plus uv dash. So just apply the formula and get it done. So it is vu dash, first term negative level. So I am going with uv dash cos x cube. So it is 10x power 4 cos x cube into sin x power 5 into cos x power 5 and vu dash. So minus lakkanala minus sin square x power 5 into sin x cube into that 3x square can be written in the front. It can be written in the front. Please do write in the front because then only it will look decent. So if I erase this and if I write, so it is minus 3x square sin square x power 5 into sin x cube, and this is the final answer. Hope you do understand this. We'll catch up with the next four sums, question number 7, 8, 9, 10 in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.